You spent $60,000 or more on a brand new 2026 truck, and it won't start. Or worse, it stops itself on the highway for no reason at all. That's not a nightmare. That's the reality for thousands of 2026 truck owners right now. Manufacturers loaded these trucks with more tech and power than ever before, but rushed them out the door before working out the bugs. The result? Engine failures, software meltdowns, phantom braking, and trucks being towed back to the dealership with fewer than 5,000 miles on the clock. Before we get into it, subscribe, hit like, and drop a comment below. Which pickup truck are you driving right now, and what problems are you dealing with? We actually read every single one. Now let's break down the 10 worst offenders. Number 10. Ford F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid. The F-150 is America's best-selling truck, so when it fails, a lot of people feel it. The 2026 PowerBoost Hybrid version has become a headache for early buyers thanks to its 10R80 transmission, which clunks, shudders, and in some cases fails completely, even after Ford pushed out multiple software updates that were supposed to fix it. But that's not the worst part. The hybrid module has a nasty habit of trapping the truck in park, throwing up a stop safely now warning, and leaving owners completely stranded, sometimes with under 5,000 miles on the odometer. For a truck that's supposed to blend efficiency with dependability, this is a deeply frustrating failure. Ford's reputation as a workhorse brand takes a real hit here. Number 9. GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra looks premium and drives beautifully, right up until the V8 decides it's done. The 2026 Sierra shares the same catastrophic 6.2-liter V8 engine platform as the Silverado, which means it has the same problem: crankshafts cracking, connecting rod snapping, and engine seizing with no warning at all. General Motors was forced to issue a stop sale on over 600,000 units when this issue surfaced. On top of that, the dynamic fuel management system, designed to save fuel by shutting down cylinders, is destroying lifters and camshafts. Add in the 10-speed transmission's harsh, jerky shifts, and you've got a truck that feels unfinished despite its high price tag. Number 8. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Everything said about the Sierra applies here too, because the Silverado runs on the same engine and drivetrain. The 6.2L V8 rod and crankshaft failures triggered a massive stop sale order affecting hundreds of thousands of trucks. Consumer Reports has flagged this heavily, and dealerships are reporting engines coming back with catastrophic internal damage, the kind of failure you'd expect from a high-mileage neglected vehicle, not a brand new truck. The lifter collapses alone have led to multiple repeat repairs on the same vehicle, leaving owners without their trucks for weeks at a time. For a truck competing at the top of the market, this level of unreliability is simply unacceptable. Number 7. Hyundai Santa Cruz. The Santa Cruz is an interesting machine, a unibody crossover truck hybrid that tries to appeal to lifestyle buyers who want truck-like capability without the bulk. But the 2026 model has stumbled badly. The dual-clutch transmission is shutting down unexpectedly and hesitating dangerously in traffic, bad enough that a recall was issued targeting the oil pump. The infotainment system freezes at random, and false safety alerts, phantom warnings with nothing actually wrong, are confusing and rattling owners. Underneath all of this, the unibody design limits real truck utility, which means buyers are accepting structural compromises and still getting reliability problems. That's a tough combination to defend. Number 6. Jeep Gladiator. The Gladiator is supposed to be the ultimate adventure truck, open-air freedom, Jeep capability, truck practicality. But the 2026 model has a problem so severe it got its own name: Death Wobble. At speeds above 40 mph, the front end begins shaking violently. Steering wheel, seat, floor, everything vibrates in a way that genuinely terrifies drivers. Jeep extended the warranty to cover this up to 90,000 miles, which tells you everything about how widespread and acknowledged the problem is. Then there's the Pentastar V6 engine, which is failing lifters and camshafts and is currently the subject of active lawsuits. The dual battery system is also draining overnight and leaving owners stranded. This is not what adventure truck ownership is supposed to feel like. Number 5. Tesla Cybertruck. The Cybertruck arrived with maximum hype and a design unlike anything else on the road. But the 2026 model has accumulated a list of problems that reads like a cautionary tale for early EV adopters. The accelerator pedal sticking recall was alarming enough on its own. Unintended acceleration is a serious safety issue. But then there's the steer-by-wire and brake-by-wire systems, which have caused complete shutdowns while driving. The stainless steel body, as distinctive as it looks, is showing corrosion. And off-road use has revealed frame cracking, a structural problem on a truck marketed for toughness. Consumer Reports gives it a below-average predicted reliability score, and based on what owners are reporting, that assessment looks generous. Number 4. GMC Canyon. The Canyon is GMC's midsize option, positioned as a more refined alternative to the Silverado. But the 2026 model shares its phantom braking problem with its sibling, the Colorado, and it's genuinely dangerous. Trucks are applying emergency brakes at highway speeds for no reason, with nothing in the road ahead. A recall has been issued covering over 57,000 units. The wiring harness is chafing against components internally, causing no start conditions that leave drivers stuck. The infotainment screen freezes regularly, and Consumer Reports gave it a 1 out of 5 reliability rating. For a truck competing against the Ford Ranger and Toyota Tacoma, trucks with much better track records, the Canyon is struggling badly. Number 3. Chevrolet Colorado. The Colorado hits the same phantom braking problem as the Canyon, and that recall alone covering 57,000 plus units should be disqualifying for any truck claiming to be a safe daily driver. But it goes further. The 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine is experiencing severe carbon buildup and wiring failures, which leads to power loss and stalling. The infotainment system is known to break completely, requiring dealer intervention just to get a working screen again. Consumer Reports handed it a 1 out of 5, the lowest reliability score possible. The Colorado was supposed to revive GM's presence in the competitive midsize truck segment. Instead, it's become a symbol of how first-year model bugs can completely undermine a truck's potential. Number 2. Rivian R1T. The Rivian R1T was supposed to prove that an electric truck could be everything a traditional truck is, and more, capable, stylish, and packed with technology. And in ideal conditions, it delivers on that promise. The problem is what happens when things go wrong, and in 2026, things are going wrong a lot. Software updates are bricking trucks completely. Owners wake up to a truck that won't turn on at all. There have been reports of electrical smoke while driving, which is about as frightening a failure mode as you can imagine. Build quality issues like panel gaps and water leaks are widespread. Consumer Reports gave it a score of 14 out of 100 in reliability. For a truck starting at over $70,000, that's a devastating number. Rivian has the vision, they just need the execution to catch up. Number 1. Ram 1500 Hurricane. The Ram 1500 Hurricane takes the top spot on this list, and the reason is simple. It has more types of failure happening simultaneously than any other truck here. The Hurricane's twin turbocharged inline-6 engine was Ram's bold move away from the traditional V8, and on paper, it produces impressive power and torque. But in practice, owners are reporting random check engine lights, battery drain, sensors failing without explanation, and the truck entering limp mode, a reduced power safety state, at completely unpredictable moments. Catalytic converters are melting under load. Modules are being swapped by dealers repeatedly, yet the same problems keep coming back. There's no clean fix, no clear root cause being communicated to owners. For the flagship engine of America's second best-selling truck, this is a catastrophic launch. The 2026 truck market tells a clear story. Manufacturers are pushing complexity faster than reliability can keep up. More horsepower, more screens, more hybrid systems, more software. All of it arriving before it's fully ready. From the Ram Hurricane's engine chaos to the Rivian R1T's software disasters, the trucks on this list prove that a high price tag and a flashy spec sheet don't guarantee a dependable machine. If you're shopping right now, research reliability ratings, check NHTSA recall databases, and talk to real owners before signing anything. And if you already own one of these, you're not alone, and your complaints matter. Drop a comment below telling us which truck you're driving and what you've experienced. Hit like if this helped you, subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive, and share this with anyone who's about to make a $60,000 decision. See you in the next one.